Stop, man. Okay, what about we do this? Okay, dog, stop. Dog, stop, please. Dog. What the?
Whoa, what's that one USPS skin that has like a lizard on it?
Oh, fucking
No, you can't
How?
do it.
How? Lee? How? Is that chams?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need myself some chams.
What? Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, I didn't get time to pull out the. Well, look at this one.
Oh,
Nice.
that actually looks sick.
Oh shit, yeah, I got you.
What's your YouTube, please? And yes.
It's linked to his Discord.
Oh, I'm retarded.
Ah. Wait, so how would you do that then? Is it just? It's because I'm tired.
Oh, I bet you won't be tired. Oh.
Green, what knife do you have?
Your mother.
I think one will be heaven.
Shut the fuck up, I wasn't talking to you. Plus ratio, plus own, plus young wave. No, not you. No.
Never mind. Isn't it like... Isn't there a skin that's like yellow? It's not bulldozer, that's different.
Blood sport.
Bloodsport, Akibara, except... Other than that, I don't know. Hazard, hot rod, hot shot, hot snakes. Hot snakes was the last
Right.
thing, and then blood. You pressed on helmet.
Thank you for participating. Bluffing. Pussy was up, like bluffing. Bro, that shot that I hit on you was like awesome.
What are you going to, guys? You hit me.
Mamma viene già da piangere.
Why? What's going on? Chill.
No, vuoi vedere che sono anche già fatto subito sull'operazione? Perché non va sempre per sempre.
What?
Oh my god, you motherfucker!
Reload, bitch!
Bro. One.
What does it feel that a plane literally got like sent straight through your two towers? Like,
I don't know, I'm not bothered by it.
you're not bothered. That's
Yeah,
mad.
not really,
If
no.
you're mad, you like. So, if I saw you in the street, I probably would.
So
Good family.
you would what? You
Wait,
would shank me in it? Would you shank
Oh,
me?
oh my god.
He's so funny.
Bro, you try come at me with your shank, I'll pull
No
up
way,
with my Smith
no
and
way.
Wesson. I'll
That's
pull up
mad,
in your
you're
block
mad,
and I
you like-
bleed it.
you
Give me
and
the
you're
addy, bro.
mad. You're
He's so
green,
funny.
I know
Oh,
Give me
you're
the
so
addy.
funny.
Why not Osiris?
Using Interium or Clarity?
It's Clarity.
Good. I love you. Thank God.
No, I mean, he's legit.
Yeah.
Bro, what do you have against Interium?
Ethereum. What?
Oh, no, Sign is using your Lucky Charms.
Yeah.
Bro.
He's
He's using Lucky Charms.
gonna get backbanned.
Lucky bro.
Oh
you
my
guys,
God,
you guys gonna
dude.
lose. You guys are gonna lose.
Oh, and the only thing I have against Ethereum is the Ethereum users. They complain, like, all my friends who use Ethereum are always like, oh, clarity's detected, Like, shut the fuck up.
I don't know, man.
So you're basically just mad at your friends for being autistic?
Yeah,
Ah,
pretty
okay.
much. He hit the author, one hop, edge bug, oh my god.